Hi guys, hello everyone. Today now I'm going to show you that how many those how many of them are buying a domain and hosting in this one of those best websites are there is actually I'm going to showing you that those best websites are there here right now. So first one is in this best website first one is Bluehost. Second one is Hostinger. Third one is GoDaddy, and fourth one is HostGator. So these four websites are best websites in the whole of the world country. So now I'm going to showing you all the first plan is that now I'm going to show you the first plan is bluehost.com. So now I'm going to that website and I'm going to showing all the details, all the plans of bluehost.in and other three websites also. So let's wait. So see here all of you. Now I'm going to share. Now I'm sharing my screen here all of you. So let's wait. So this is the first website that many of them 5 million people are 5 million or 10 million plus people or millions are buying this domain and hosting in this website only for not only the buying this domain and hosting. You can create an affiliate product affiliate marketing also. So actually many of the guys are creating affiliate marketing in this website only. So if you want to create affiliate marketing in this WordPress, you have to go to this website and you have to buy all the domain and hosting. And after that, you have to create a username account of this WordPress, and you have to enter all the WordPress details of username and password. And after the login to this account of this WordPress dashboard, you can create a affiliate marketing in this website. So this Bluehost website. So for those who all want to buy it as a affiliate marketing in this, so please go to this website. It has a bluehost.in. So first of all, let's wait. I'm going to show you all the plans here. You get very carefully all of it. See, here it is showing that build and grow your WordPress website, which is powering the creator in you. See here, all of you, here it is showing that for starting a plan is that 175 rupees per month. See here, all of you. Let's see all of you here. It was recommended by WordPress.com only. So this was a free domain for 1 year. And free SSL certificate is also available. And after the premium Cloudflare CDM is also available. So and one click WordPress install is also available. See, and after 24 by 7, 24 or 7 support is also available. Still let's wait. Now I'm going to click it as you have to click on get started button. See, plans which to suit your needs, your budget, or your website. See, for example, if you want to select for example, 1 year, that means 12 months. See, not selecting like that. This was a let's see here all of you now. See here it is there many those options are there. Your faster after you are selecting this 1 year for your domain and hosting for 1 year. There is a many options are there to select here. The first one is basic, second one is plus, third one is choice plus, and fourth one is pro. So let's now I'm going to showing you all the plans of this work in this bluehost.in. So basic, I'm going to show you the basic plan is that for rupees 175 175. So if you had selected this plan of 175 rupees for basic, you'll be get you can install only one website only, but you can't install unlimited websites. If you want to install it as a unlimited website, please go through this other three websites are there right now. So let's see here all of it. See here it is showing that those three plannings are showing now. So per second one is plus, third one is twice plus, and fourth one is pro. So these three plans are you can create it as an unlimited websites except the basic plan. So if you want to select only for a basic plan, you can only install it as a only for one website. That is okay. If you want to install it as a only for one website, that is your wish, and you can select it as a basic plan. That is 175 rupees. And after that, 50 GB SSD storage is also available. And after that, unmetered per that is also available. And after that, free SSL certificate is also available. And after that, you have to there is a standard performance also available of the in this website only. And after that, one included domain. Domain is also compulsory included right now. So after you're buying this after you have selected this basic plan, you have to create your own domain, and you have to pay, and your hosting will be getting in this Gmail. So that's right. 5 park domains is also available, and after that 25 subdomains is also available. Say actually I see all of you once here, all of you, see here once all of you, but free those who all are creating it as a free domain, you have to see here, free domain for 1 year is also it's a very unlimited. But actually, uh, the cost of 1 year for free domain is 1,399 rupees. For those who are selected as only for basically plans here. So and after that, automatic daily malware soft scan is also available. Free blue host SEO tools is also available. So, but guys, everyone here, those who want to install it as an unlimited websites in this Bluehost only, please go through this website, and you can select it as a plus or choice plus or a pro website. So let's wait. I'm going to show you this plan only, and for plus option. See, after that you have to click on select this plus button. That means you can install it as an unlimited website. Is there no? So let's say. But those who do not have an account of this Bluehost.com, please go to this website, and you have to create it as an account, and after that your account will be open. So you'll be get this many you'll be get this website for notification in this in your email only. So and after that, after you are selecting this plan, and you have to create a new domain in hosting, and or otherwise you can use it as an existing domain also. So for example, I'm showing you here all of it. I'm not showing this existing domain right now. So let's see here all of it. For example, I'm selecting it as a Ramal over here. So and after that you have to click on next button. After the clicking it as a next button, how much you have to pay for domain and hosting in this website, they will be shown here. So let's see. Now I'm going to show you here. This was the sample I'm going to show you only, but I'm not going to buy any domain and hosting in this in those websites. See here all of you. And after that, if you are after before buying the domain and before buying this domain and hosting, please go through this. Please go create an account of this Bluehost.com, and after that, selecting this plan, and you have to type it as in your do domain and hosting also. And after that, you have to fill all those account information of this account only. See here all of it. For example, actually first name and last name I already type in here now. Okay. And after that, you have to enter the business name and country, street address, city, state, phone number, and you have to enter all those details here. Okay. Now I'm going to see here all of you. If you have a GST ID number, means good service tax ID number. See here all of you. If you want to select only for, if you want to select it as a 36 month for a price, there is a 279 rupees. See, actually, I'm selecting it as a only for 12 months plan. That means 459 rupees here. And after you have selected it as a 1 year plan only, see, there is a extra package of extras is also available. See here, all of it. But domain privacy plus production is also that means 40 41 rupees per, but billed annually at rupees 499 for ramalol.com. See here, total all those details here is there. So that means total cost of this domain and hosting is 11,732.74 rupees. Totally, you have to buy this domain and hosting in this website only 11,732 rupees 0.74. So only this first plan is the domain Bluehost.in. I have shown you here this plan only. And coming to the next point is the Hostinger. Hostinger is on. See here, all of you. Now I'm going to the another website. It has a Hostinger. So Hostinger website actually many of those guys are. I think 5 million people are all buying this domain and hosting in this Hostinger.com only. So, but presently now they are giving it as a 70% offer for web hosting plans. Is it? So before I have already buy the domain and hosting in this. I have already buy those two products in this website only for hosting the plan. So they are giving it as a very 80% or 90%. They giving it as a offer for me. So presently now they are giving it as a only for 70% offer. Only in India only they are giving it as a 70% offer here. Right now. Now it's special offer. They are showing as a rupees 199 for one. So that's right. Now I'm going to show you this plan here, all of you. So if you want to select it as a only for single hosting, see single web hosting, premium web hosting, business web hosting is there. So for example, if you want to select only for one single web hosting only, you can select. You have to select it as a 59 rupees per add to cart is there. Single web hosting. You have to add. You have to click on add to cart and you have to fill all those details and along with your bank details. And after that, you have to create a new domain here in this website. Okay. Yes, that's right. Now I'm going to show you. For example, I'm going to show you it as a premium web hosting if you want. That means you can create it as 100 websites or not only premium hosting also. It's a business web hosting also. You can create it as a 100 website. So for single web hosting means that means only you can create it as only for one website here. So see here all of you. Now I'm going to show you this example it as a single web hosting here. So that's right. After the selecting it as a single web hosting plan, see this was how much you have to pay the amount will be shown in this website only. So before you are paying this single web hosting, first of all you have to create a new domain or otherwise you can create it as a existing domain. So for example, now I'm going to show you here. Let's wait. See here they are giving it as a for 48 months. That means 3 years. That means 3 years. They are giving for 48 months means that means 4 years only. But this 24 months means 2 years per plan. And 12 months per 12 months of 99 rupees is for 1 year. So 24 I have already forgotten to tell you here right now. So well, for 24 months means rupees 89. For 48 months means 59 rupees. So now I'm going to show you only for example it as a only for I'm selecting it as only for this 1 year planning also. So here see Total is actually, I have already selected this plan here now for 1 year. See, there the total single web hosting is that 1,188 rupees they are showing here. So totally you have to pay the 1,400 for not to before and after the not before paying this single web hosting. See here it is there now. If you can create a new domain. Here it is showing that get more domains is there. You want to create it as a new domain. See for example, Ramalohit I am typing here ramalohit.com. For example, I am typing it as a ramalohit.com is there. See. See for See here all of you for dot in means for dot in rupees 435 rupees for online means 70 for 75. So for, if you want to select it as only for dot com means you have, that means you have to pay for 602 rupees. See for example I'm going to show you here look at very carefully all of you. I am selecting as a ramalu.com. Right, I have typed it as a ramalu.com is there. See, let's see here. See, ramaloid.com is also available. That means you have to pay only for domain is 602 rupees here on. See, other dot in domain is there now for 435 or ramaloid.online or rupees 75. Many options are here right now. For example, ramaloid.xyz is also the same rate of 75 rupees only. So this was the very cheapest rate of this website of for ramaloid.online and ramaloid.xyz user. So if you that means before you have to select only for this plan, but .com is there. You have to .com is .com is the best to use. Select .com is the best to select this plan of this only. So for example, I'm already selecting it as a ramaloid.com only. But totally you have to pay the domain is 602 rupees. For now I'm going to show you now I'm clicking on this add to this cart like and after that totally you have to pay the amount of this domain and hosting. Here it is showing now. Let's see here all of you now. See, I'm going and after that you have to click on continue to cart. Let's wait now. I'm loading now. Let me wait for few seconds, 3 seconds. See here, see here all of you. Totally your order summary is totally you have to pay the domain and hosting is 2,126 is there. Is now 2,126. This website is on the best. This website is one of the best websites that you can find the domain and hosting. Is better to buy this domain and hosting in this website only. Guys, for all of you, those who are having any doubt of this doubt, please comment me in my YouTube channel. So and now I'm going to now I have already explained about the bluehost.in. Second one is the hosting. So now I'm going to showing the another plan is that HostGator. HostGator is also one of the best websites that many whole of the country other foreign people are buying this website. It as HostGator.in for only for domain and hosting. foreign peoples or other foreign peoples or totally whole countries all are buying the domain and hosting in this HostGator only. So let's see here all of you. See, now I'm going to this first website. It has a HostGator. Let's see. Here it is showing that HostGator India. That means HostGator.in only. So now I'm going to buy showing this plan only. So you have to first of all you have to click on this website. It has a HostGator India.com is there. No? India.in is there. No? So you have to click on this HostGator.in. If you want to buy the domain and hosting is there. So these four websites is the best website. They are giving many offers in those websites only. So actually, this HostGator.com is also a good website only. So starting for the starting of this plan of this HostGator website, they are giving it as a only for rupees 99 per month. So, for example, now I'm going to showing you all in this website Planix is Planix is there now. You have to see all the plans. But before you're buying the domain and hosting, first of all you have to check your plans and after that which plan is the best to you by the domain and hosting. You have to select those plan and you have to create your domain and you have to pay all the details. Play the domain and hosting. See, for example, .com is there now. So if you want to select only for .com is there, and after share hosting or otherwise BPS hosting, or after that dedicated service is there. So actually, if you want to select only for .com is there now. For starting rupees is that 779 rupees. If you want to select it as only for stream hosting, you can select it as stream hosting here right now. So actually, I'm already selected for .com only. So I'm typing it as a ramaloy.com. You want to there are three options are here right now. So for .com, .in or .website. .website is the whole country only. .website and .com is the whole country only. You can select it. So actually, I have typed in as only for .com is there. So that's why I'm now wait. Now I'm going to show you this example. For example, see, let's wait. See, see guys, all of you. Now I'm going to showing this plan of this example here right now. So .com is available. So .com is .net is also available. Many options are available right now. Actually, I'm showing you here now. So presently, ramaloid.com and .net is also available. No. So for example, I'm going to add this website. It as a ramaloid.com. See, totally for domain hosting is domain total cost of the domain is only for 819 rupees. Here it is showing that total amount of this website is 819 rupees only. So that means if you want after selecting if you want to change the plan, you can change this plan before paying this website of domain and hosting in this website only. So if you want to change the plan, you can change it. You can change the plan also. So let's. This was the example I'm showing you here. All of you look at very carefully. So now I'm going to click it as a checkout. See here. See hosting. You are just a step away from the getting your business online. There are for WordPress hosting is there now. You have to if you want to select it as only for WordPress hosting means you can install as a two WordPress installation is there. You can install it as a two WordPress installation. So WordPress hosting is the best to use. So I'm going to show you this example the plan. And after that, you have to click on add to cart. See, and after that, you have to click on checkout. See, See, actually, you already select WordPress plan is there, no? So that total amount that you have to pay the WordPress hosting starter of and whatever you have created the website in this website only. For example, I have already created it as a Ramalu account. I have already selected it as only for 1 year, 1 year. No? So that means 1 year only. That means rupees 499 per month only. So totally whatever you have ordered ordered those items, you have to pay the total amount is that 8,503. Is that no? You have to if you want to get those domain and hosting is you have to pay the 8,503 rupees. And after the paying of this 8,503, you'll be get a domain and hosting in your Gmail account. So it's a way. Now I'm going to show you whatever you have already explained as a three websites of that means bluehost.in or second one is the HostGator, third one is the HostGator. So coming to the final website is that now I'm going that website name it as a GoDaddy. See, I'm selecting it as a I'm typing it as a GoDaddy.com. So GoDaddy.com, let's see and all of you look at very carefully. One thing. See here, all of you. For .in means so they are selling it as a only for 190 149 rupees. See, for live means 149 and .in means only for 149 and for .co 209 rupees they are selling and after that .info is there no final option is that info is there no for .info there is a cost plan here they are selling here. That means 359 rupees they are selling in this website only. So say here many options are there in this website only. If you want to, you can select any plan also. So I am going to show selecting this plan only for managing WordPress. Let's say before or otherwise. Now I'm going to showing you the another way website. Let's see here. See here all of you. Basically we want to select only for WordPress hosting means there is a built for speed and security. Get the most from your WordPress site with hosting designed to the performance for automated updates and backups to industry leading load times. This WordPress, how it was meant to be work. See, and after that, there is a free tools for designers and developers. You can create it as a free tools for and developers in this website only. So and after that, if you want to start your business, you can start your own business with your own products in this website only. So they are showing choosing this plan is there. No, now I'm going now I'm not able to show you all those plans here. So presently now I'm going to show you the WordPress hosting plan is there. WordPress hosting is the highly very recommended website of this WordPress only. So now I'm going to showing show you this plan of this WordPress hosting. Let's see here. All. See here, all of you. Many many plans are there. Many those four plans are there to buy the WordPress hosting is there. No, see here, all of you. For basic, if you have selected the basic plan means that the cost of the basic plan means 149 rupees, and after that deluxe. If you want to select it as a deluxe option is yeah, the total cost of the deluxe is 249 rupees. And after that, third one is ultimate. Ultimate is the 449 rupees. And after that, e-commerce. If you want to select only for WordPress with e-commerce means totally you have to pay the 1139 rupees. there is a free SSL certificate in this website only. So there is no free website of the. There is a no free SSL certificate of this in this website only. That means you have to pay for the duration of this hosting means 4,399. See here, left here. And after that domain, whatever you have chosen the selected as a new domain, you have to pay the 899 rupees. And after that, there is a if you want to create a business email, that means you have to pay the 348 rupees. There is a 30 GB storage ideal for see actually whatever you have whatever if you want to select those plans, you can select any one of the plan here right now. So and after that, see now I'm going to show you the example is that rupees 149. That means basic plan only. I'm going to show you this plan. You have to after you have enter your new domain and you have to pay all those options are there. Whatever there is an option is there for domain. After that, SSL certificate, all those are there. No, so that after you have selected all those plans, so totally see. For I'm going to typing it as a now I'm going to selecting it as a 12 months only. That means 1 year. So that means 1 year now. So totally you have to pay the domain hosting in this website of GoDaddy is 3,588 rupees. Along and after that, see let's see here if you want to select your enhance your security and speed means totally you have to pay totally you have to pay the 7,164 rupees. So see these are guys these four websites are one of these four websites are the best website that they are giving many offers and they are unlimited people are buying the domain hosting in those four websites only. So in this four website, Bluehost and Hostinja.com is the highest leading of this website. They are all buying the domain and hosting in those websites only. And not only those two websites, and HostGator is also good website only than GoDaddy. HostGator is better than GoDaddy. So those who all are want to buy the domain and hosting means whatever I have shown you the plan of just those four websites. Which of the website is the best website is Hostinja.com is the best website. That means they are presently now they all are giving the 80% or 70% offers. This offers they are giving the 80% or 70% offers they are giving in the Hostinja.com only. So guys, please go through the so please guys all of you go to the hostinja.in and you have to buy the domain and hosting in that website only. Hostinja.in is the one of the best website is there. You can whether you can buy the domain and hosting and after that you can create it as a website and you can build a website and you can sell to them others also. So today these are the today's topics that I have already told you that this core website is best website that we can buy the domain and hosting and after you can create it as a landing pages or a WordPress website is there. So that's right. So today I've already today's topic is that only for this only. Whatever you have, if you want to choose all those plans, see here all of you. One thing I forgot to tell you. Many of them guys are asking those which website is that best to buy the domain name hosting. So actually now I have already told you now, but Hostinja dot Hostinja.com is the best website to use. They are giving it as a only for presently now they are giving it as a 70% offer right now. So actually I'm already buy the two products in this Hostinja.com only. So actually I'm already buy the two products in this website. Actually they gave it as a only for 90% offer before I'm buying the domain hosting in this hosting there. Actually, they gave a 90% discount offer. in this website. So that's why I have already bought the two products in this website only. So please, guys, if you those who are want to interested to buy the domain and hosting, please go through this website and you have to buy all those domain and hosting along with SSL certificate. So as there is a SSL certificate is also free only in this hostinger.com. Not only in the hostinger.com, it's a bluehost.com also and hostgator.com also. For GoDaddy means that means you have to pay only for 4,000 rupees. I have already shown you here. No, you have to pay the for SSL certificate. You have to pay for the email business emails. I have already shown you. Know. So please check those plans for before which website is the best to buy the domain and hosting is there. No? You have to first of all you have to check all those plans and you can create a domain and hosting in those plans. After you have selected the plan. So this was only for today's topic only. So let's thank you for watching my video everyone again. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click a bell icon from here. Thank you.